Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and blue is right here. I won a giveaway from Unboxings with Wendy Jean. I'm excited, y'all. I've never won from Wendy Jean before, and I'm excited. So I did cut it open at the top. It says hazmat surface only. So Wendy, what'd you send me? So I'm gonna open it up, and there is a card right on top, so I'll open that first. It says Mary, it's got some cute little stickers on it, and a butterfly on the back. And the cats are wreaking havoc as always. It's really just Camille. All right, Camille. Oh, how pretty. It says Wendy Jean. And it says, Dear Mary, congrats again on winning my Fab Fit Fun bundle battle giveaway. I hope you enjoy your goodies. Feel free to pass on anything you don't want, need, or can't use. However, in the little box is friend mail. I saw a few little things in Ireland, ooh, and had to buy them for you because of what's on them. Blessings, Wendy Jean. P.S. Thank you for supporting my channel. How sweet. Well, thank you so much, Wendy Jean. I'm excited. Okay, this is the package. I will start, you know, when there's a cat around me, sometimes I don't start the way I'm supposed to. In case you might have noticed from the title, I win a giveaway, so you can win a giveaway. So how that's gonna work, I'm gonna open this up, we're gonna see what's in here, and then I'm gonna give you a chance to win something. And so you will have to be subscribed to Unboxings with Wendy Jean. I'll put her below. And you'll have to be subscribed to me. Publicly subscribe to both of us so that I can see that you're subscribed to both of us. This giveaway will run for 2 weeks from the date that I post it. I'll have that information in the description. All the information's in the description about giveaways. This giveaway has nothing to do with YouTube. I bought everything with my own money. And I will get you a tracking when I send out the giveaway. And if it gets lost or stolen, I can't replace it. And also, if you have an allergic reaction to anything in the package, I'm not responsible for that. And you have to have an address in the US. You can live anywhere in the world, but I have to be able to send this to somewhere in the US. So let's see what's in here. And then this is my giveaway. This is what Wendy is sending to me. Thank you so much, Wendy. And then I will do a giveaway to send out to y'all. All right, I love that. That butterfly is another pretty butterfly on there. And the tissue, it's wrapped so pretty. Ooh, oh, right off the bat. Well, I'll see, okay. This says right here, friend mail. So I'm gonna put that aside for a moment. And let's see what I won from the giveaway. Oh, wow, there's a lot of stuff in here, y'all. Sponge gel. Now, I know that Wendy Jean loves sponge gels as well, but she knows I'm crazy about them. So this one is, oh, the blood orange. Listen, I've never smelled a sponge gel that I didn't like, and I have had the blood orange before. I love blood oranges, like I love to eat blood oranges, so they smell really good. To me, they don't smell like blood oranges. There's not a lot of citrus scent in there. They're flowery. When you get a box of 2, they, instead of being like the flower shape, they are these round shape. They're a little bit thicker, but they still have plenty of washes in them. I just have to say 30 plus uses in this package because there's 2. Thank you, Wendy Jean. Oh, I just love it. Like I said, I've never met a sponge gel that I didn't like. Never. And that is, and then, you know, their packaging is beautiful. And here's Camille to aggravate. Okay, Camille, come on down. Out of the way. Here's something wrapped up. Whoops. Oh, there's something big in there too. This is the giveaway. Wendy Jean does the Fab Fit Fun Mystery Bundle Battle with a couple of different channels. She did this one with Taylor Marie, the one that I won. And what they do with their giveaway is they do 4 items to make it like a mystery bundle, a Fab Fit Fun mystery bundle. I used to do that also, and then I sort of ran out of things for that, so I just do just a regular nice giveaway. So this is the Trifle Cosmetics. I've had this before. It's very nice. Let me show you the container, and then I'll read it to you. Trifle Cosmetics Soft Swirl Overnight Hydrating Face Mask, and that is beautiful. It is sealed, otherwise I'd smell it, but it's sealed, so I'm going to leave it that way for now. They're packaging is the cutest. This is So Susan. It's So Susan, it's Trifle Cosmetics, and Jelly Pong Pong. They're all sister companies. And then this is wrapped up very nicely. Let's see what this is. Cami. Okay. Let's see, what is this? This is Floral Street. Oh, it's a perfume. Floral Street, it says Wonderland Peony. So let's see what that looks like. It says that it is Eau de Parfum. You want to see that, Cami? Well, that's really pretty. Look how pretty that's decorated. And that's the bottle there, and it looks, it's going to be a spritz. Oh, it smells pretty. It smells sweet, like sweet like candy, like cotton candy, and flowery. So that's very pretty. There's a lot in there, y'all. So that is very nice. Thank you, Wendy Jean. And there's something else in here. It's big. Let me see if I can. I'm going to have to dump the box upside down, I think, to get it out, because it's in there pretty snug. It says Kate Spade on it. Ooh. Oh, just dropped all that. But I did not drop this. This says Kate Spade, New York. I'm not sure what it is. It's a secret. It is taped up. Okay. Oh, it's like all taped up. Well, oh, there, it's open. It's open. It has a little seal, but Wendy had to cut it open. What is it, Wendy Jean? I'm so excited. I love Kate Spade. Ooh. Okay, hang on. There's a few things in here. Let me try to. There's a few things in here. Wendy gets the best Fab Fit Fun mystery bundle. She really does. She's one that gets really good ones. You don't see her get a bad one once in a while. We all do, but she gets a lot better than I get. All right, there's a couple. Let me open this all up, and there's a couple of these drink cups in here. Like it's a double. It's a double. It's a double. This is so cute. All right, so this is what it is. It's 2 cups from Kate Spade. So this one is clear and it has a straw in there, and it's like what they call that, double walled. You know, so it'll keep your drink cold, and it is like an ombre, pink here and pink here, and then more clear in the center. Can you see that? And then it has this burgundy, sort of burgundy top. And Cami, she just won't stop. She just won't stop. Now I took this pen, so she'd take another pen. And then there's this cute cup. Isn't that adorable? It says, okay, it tells you how to wash it. You know, don't put this, you're not supposed to put this in the dishwasher. So this is so pretty. It says Kate Spade of New York right there. And this one doesn't say that, but that's okay. And this is a hot cup. Like, this is a cold cup. You probably, well, the cold cup, this is what I would use for a cold cup. This you could use for probably hot and cold. And then it's a twist top here. How cute is that? So that twists on, and then how this keeps it hot is you can just push that down and it will snap in place, and then it'll keep your drink hot for traveling. I love that. And then, like I said, it says Kate Spade, New York on it. Thank you, Wendy Jean. That is a really nice giveaway. Love it, love it, love it. That and the sponge gel. This is valuable. This is more valuable than a Fab Fit Fun mystery bundle, y'all. And the perfume. Thank you so much. And then now I have my friend mail. Wendy Jean, I'm so excited. Thank you. All right, in this friend mail, it's wrapped very nicely. And, oh, some things directly from Ireland. I'm so impressed. Wendy Jean just went on an anniversary excursion with her husband to Ireland. I don't know, was it your, how long have they been married? I don't know if she told us a number of how long they've been married, but oh, look at how cool this is. Oh my goodness, and it's my name. Wendy. Of course, I thought she meant there'd be cats on this, but it's Flanagan. And a lot of people spell Flanagan different ways. There's like F-L-A-N-N-I-G. There's a lot of I's involved with Flanagan. But my way, which isn't really my way, it's my ex-husband's way, is all A's. So she found it exactly the way I spell it, or that his family spells it. Like I said, there's many ways to spell Flanagan. And this says on it, this is the angelicized version of the Gaelic O'Flanagan, which O'Flanagan has the O in front, and then it has all A's, but it has, it's Flanagan, Again. So Flanagan, maybe, meaning descendant of Flanagan. This personal name derives from flan, Flann, meaning reddish or ruddy. It's a name associated with, oh my goodness, connect. I don't know what that means. The surname also occurs as O'Flanagan, a sept that was hereditary stewards to the kings of Connacht. The motto for Flanagan's is, oh, it's in Gaelic. I don't know what that means. But that is really cool. And then on the back, isn't that cool? Thank you, Wendy Jean. That's a bookmark. And then there is this keychain that has I would say that's the coat of arms, right? With Flanagan, the way that it is spelled. And on the back, it says the same information about how the name is derived. And then there's also this. These are 2 coasters. I think, what's her name? Messed that up there. 2 heraldic coasters. So that must be the coat of arms, I would guess. This is really cool. So these are very nice. And there's cork on the back, you know, to keep from getting your table wet from your drink. That is really cool. Thank you so much, Wendy. And on the back of this, it says the same type of thing about, now this what's a little bit different. The O'Flanagan name derives from the Irish adjective flan, Flann, meaning reddish or ruddy. The family was distantly related to the Royal O'Connors. The chief of the clan held lands in Roscommon, but today the surname O'Flanagan is also found in Mayo, Galway, and Clare. Notable family members include Donogh O'Flanagan, Bishop of Elphin. Location, County of Roscommon and along the western seaboard. Okay? And the motto is, again, it's in Gaelic, so I can't, Certive et Vici. I have fought and conquered. That's what it means. I have fought and conquered. So that is so cool. Thank you so much for thinking of me, Wendy Jean. Wendy and her husband on their anniversary gift got me a few pieces for the Flanagan name. That is so sweet, Wendy. Thank you so much. And I love my winnings. Okay, so this video is already long enough. So if you are in this to win this, then I would say Flanagan or something, but then you have to know how to spell it right, and nobody can spell it right, but Wendy did. So how about we say, because I have the Kate Spade, New York, say Kate. That's an Irish word, Kate. That's easy to spell. Put that in your comments so that I can pick your comment out with the comment picker. If you're interested in winning my giveaway, which will be a mystery giveaway, it will be probably in a box, be in a glossy box. I just so happen to have a glossy box of here. Don't look at what you just saw because I'm making up another giveaway. Your giveaway this will be shoved with stuff. So this fits it really nicely into one of the bubble mailers that costs about $10.50 or something to mail. So this will be chock full of stuff. So that will be the giveaway if you'd like to win. Sometimes too, when I pick the winner, then I decide what I'm going to put in there, because if you may like makeup or you may like skincare better, we'll do that kind of thing. So go ahead and don't just say Kate, please. Put it in a sentence. And when I pick the winner in 2 weeks, you'll have to be publicly subscribed to me and publicly subscribed to Wendy Jean. Unboxings with Wendy Jean. I'll have her below. And thank you so much, Wendy. I'm so excited about everything. This is really cool. I love seeing the name. I love seeing my name. Thank you so much. And I love Kate Spade. And I love Spongella. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Thank you, Wendy. And y'all, thank you for stopping by. Count your blessings. Go see Wendy. And get in on the giveaway. Bye, y'all. Take care. Count your blessings.